Hi and welcome to TrafficZion, and this is going to be a demo showing you how TrafficZion works and how you're going to be driving traffic back to your websites and blogs or any type of domain that you might have some offer, landing pages, or whatever it is that you want traffic to. Now let me show you how this works. Once you download TrafficZion, you double click on the icon for TrafficZion to start. Now currently I have 3 accounts running on this software, and the first things first is basically going to register your email that you purchased TrafficZion with, and then come into accounts and basically add the accounts that you have inside TrafficZion, and we show you exactly what you need to do. And these accounts are basically your gravatar where you're going to be connected to, which is going to help you bring traffic back to wherever you want your traffic to go to. So once you're set up and you've created your account, the first things first is to go ahead and add your tags. And now we've already added an amazing feature on this system right here. So what we would do is basically come here and add a tag. Now what we've added here is basically a way to get tags easily, and we're going with niche based, so you can bring traffic from any niche you can think of. And in this case we're going to go with affiliate marketing, for example. Okay, so this is my popular tag that I want the traffic to come to. So what I'm going to do is click suggest tags, and what TrafficZion is going to do is going to spit out all these tags that I can be using in order to drive the traffic. Okay, now once I've added these will fall into my list right here, where this software is running now in the background, where it's getting traffic from WordPress platform. Now what is the WordPress platform? Well, the WordPress powers 29% of the internet, and basically you can get started for free. And here is where you can create your free blog, a free website straight from here. But let's go inside and see where we're getting the traffic from. Now once inside the WordPress.com platform, which is like the universe, and so many people, we're talking about 29% of 8 billion, and that's a lot of people. And you can see that there's a search, you can search billions of WordPress posts out there, and you can see that there's suggestions as well that has to do with my place. So if I click on that, it's going to bring me a lot of posts and websites that have to do with my niche. And what the power of this is that these are real people posting articles and blogs that I don't know. So I'd like to follow them. I like to like them. I like to give them stars. And this will turn into engagement back to me. Okay, so now I'm finding all these tags that I want to find other websites that are just like mine, and these are the tags that you're going to be adding inside TrafficZion, and these will be the tags inside TrafficZion right here. And this is what's going to be doing. It's going to be doing it on autopilot for you, but we have more features inside, and these features are going to give you more into the automated business. Okay, and we have Tribe, where Tribe is basically where you add your domain, and then TrafficZion just pulls the articles that you want other TrafficZion members to follow you and like and engage with. And these are going to be my posts and articles that I want to focus on and get traffic to, so I can be boosted on the WordPress platform, and plus Google, and plus getting paid by Google AdSense. So in a nutshell, this does bring you free targeted traffic back to your websites and blogs and anything that you have a domain on, because we are getting this traffic from real people that are placed in this untapped source, where you're going to be able to get the engagement that you want, the conversions, the visits, and plus any type of commissions that you might think of. Okay, so it's very simple. This is TrafficZion, and make sure you pick it from the links below right now. Thank you, and talk to you inside.